What are these things? Rooster eggs?
Armadillo eggs. I'm
Armadillo.
from Texas.
Do armadillos lay eggs?
Honestly, I'm not sure.
They're mammals.
I don't know.
Like, just saying.
Alright guys, today we're going to be making up some traditional armadillo eggs. I'm started with 1 block of cream cheese. I've got about 1 cup of shredded cheese. You can use whatever your favorite cheese is.
Everything's better with cheese.
Amen. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder here.
Keep the vampires away.
This is where you can kind of put your own spin on it, whatever you like. Whatever cheese, use more or less garlic powder if you like that. You could put chives in it.
I have opted to not do the mixing since I tend to make a mess with everything I do.
I do have a job for you. Can you take these 6 jalapenos?
Hey, did I ever tell you about the time I got jalapeno on my...
Yeah, that happens once and then doesn't happen again, right? Uh-huh.
Correct. Safety first.
Oh my God.
Get some safety glasses.
You're such a dork.
Let's go.
All right, hopefully you could still see.
They aren't prescription, but kind of feel my way through it.
Now, traditional armadillo eggs, you cut the tops off, core out the middle, and stuff it. Okay, that's a lot of work, let's be real. So I'm gonna have Brad cut these in half, and then I'm gonna fill them and put them back together. It's gonna be a little bit easier and allow me to put a little bit more filling in there. Good job, babe. Looking good.
I don't know, I can't see anything. So I just like to use a spoon. Bree does not agree with this technique, but I just like to take a spoon and just scoop that membrane out. If you really want to have some fun, I usually, when I make like jalapenos or poppers or something like that, I leave 1 grenade in there where I'll leave all the membrane and all the seeds and just stuff it and see who gets it. I'm not going to do that today.
All right, so our next step here is I have 1 pound of pork sausage, just the plain, not breakfast, just regular pork sausage. I'm going to add our pork rub on here. Sprinkle a decent amount in here, give it some flavoring, and then I'm gonna mix it up so that it's in all of that pork sausage. So when we wrap that around the jalapeno, all that yummy goodness will come out. A little spicy over there.
I need a respirator too, I think.
So now I'm gonna kind of start stuffing these jalapenos a little bit with our cream cheese mixture.
Oh, you know what? I didn't keep them together, so you knew which ones went with what.
It's all good. We'll
Play a
figure
little memory game.
it out. A matching.
Well, here, I know that one went with that one. The fat kid went with the fat kid. Yep, that was good.
Where did my other half go? I just took it.
Oh, that's what...
That's my other half for this one, isn't it?
I don't know.
That one looks
It's that one.
Okay, find the other half for that one.
There.
Yeah, that one looks like it fits. Okay, I got one.
Well, she's doing that. Our good.
Bourbon time?
This commercial break's brought to you by our good friends at Ben Holiday Bourbon.
This is usually how it is. I sit here and do all the work, and you sit there and drink and watch me. And tell me what I'm doing wrong.
That's good.
So this is something quick and easy that you can do when you've got a group of friends coming over, kind of impress them. I've also made these with habaneros. People think, oh my gosh, those are too spicy. Really, when you heat a habanero up, it becomes more sweet and less heat. So I think personally it's perfect for that. A piece of parchment paper here, and I'm gonna flatten out some of the sausage on there. That way it doesn't stick to my board. For me personally, this is where you get your personal preference. I wanna make these thin, so I'm gonna try to mash it out here as much as I can. And I'm gonna take my little jalapeno, see if we can wrap it all around there. If you keep your sausage and hamburger cold, it will work better for you and not be as sticky. Pat it around and make sure it's even so that it'll cook as even as it possibly can. All right, so Brad's got me a rack sprayed with some Pam or cooking oil. Ooh, are you gonna wrap it with bacon for me?
I am.
Yay.
Team player.
All right. So the best type of bacon to use for these is going to be cheap, thin cut bacon. You don't want to wrap with thick cut. It just takes longer to get done.
Are you gonna add more seasoning to the outside of the bacon?
Yes, I would like to do that. We love on our jalapeno poppers and on our armadillo eggs to add its good old boys candy bacon rub. So good. I found this in Texas. Even though we're in Missouri, I have to find it on Amazon and have it shipped to me. Or my family in Texas sometimes will ship it up to me too. So I just take this and sprinkle this on the outside of the bacon. It's gonna add some sweet that goes so well with the heat of the jalapeno on the inside, and then that rich cream cheese. We have our smoker running right around 300 degrees. Okay. So we have our smoker running right around 300 degrees. We're gonna cook them till they're around 165 degrees. We wanna make sure that the bacon has time to get nice and crisped up a little bit. And so I'm thinking we're gonna check them in about an hour, hour and a half, and see how they're doing. So we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been about 1 hour. Ooh, they're looking good. I'm gonna pour a little bit of honey on them.
Pour some sugar on me. Who sang that?
All right, we'll be back. We had these on the smoker for about an hour and 15 minutes, and we let them rest for a little bit because we knew they were going to be like molten lava on the inside. So now it's time.
It's time to eat.
Yes, my favorite part.
Pick one. One of six.
Just one.
You want the fatty?
Sure, give me the fatty.
We're getting the fat kid? Okay. Okay, we're going to move this down here. I'm just going to give her a nice.
Ooh-wee.
Let's give her a second shot. So you can see the pork nicely done. Got some pepper in there. Peppers are softened up because we were hitting them pretty good with heat. The cream cheese is all perfect.
Are you ready?
I got gloves on before. Well. We're really hot.
That's what I'm saying. I'm your father.
I find out.
Those are really good.
They're tasty.
They're very good. And I think the ratio is really good too.
Mm-hmm.
Super simple, guys. Super easy. If you try it, let us know what you think.
Talking Twinkie.
I love you.
What she meant to say is, bless his heart.
Bless your heart.
All right, bye.
All right, guys.
Eat more.
We're out. Let's eat.
Texas Twinkie. What?
No.
Isn't
the
it?
armadillo
But
eggs still.
isn't that the same thing? A Texas Twinkie, armadillo
There's a lot
egg?
of different names.
I mean, you're from Texas. I figured you'd want to call it Texas Twinkie.
Okay.
Okay, armadillo eggs. Take 1,400